Yes, Ozzy, I'm excited too. Birthday party!
Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe. I'm Fia, and this is Rua.
Wawa.
We have some dizzy deliveries for you. Is it your birthday? Is it your birthday?
No,
No.
it's not my birthday.
Granny. Birthday.
It's Granny's birthday. It's a big secret.
Ah, it's a surprise birthday party.
Yes.
Oh, I forgot. What was on the list?
Yes, some balloons. Wait here.
More.
More. More. Wait here.
More. More.
More? Wait here.
More! I know. Let's play a game.
Birthday parties are hard work. Ah, cake!
I know. Let's make a cake.
Cake.
What do we need to make a cake? Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dassy, Day. Scoop a little bit of butter in there. Ugh, okay, I think we need some chocolate for the cake. And we need another egg in there as well. What? Will you pour some milk in there for me? Only a little bit, small. This is my granny's recipe. Your granny is gonna love this.